Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device, and once it is completely loaded, you will be taken to the home page. From your home page, you will see your profile icon at the top left corner. In order to change your profile picture, just tap on your current profile and you will be taken into your profile menu. Tap on your profile picture that you currently have and you will see change avatar at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on this and you will see various different avatars that you can use for your character. You can also tap on the plus icon in order to upload your own image. Tap on the edit button and you will have the options to take your own photo as well as upload one from your album. Now once you have chosen your avatar, you also have the option to choose your avatar border. After choosing your desired setting, click on the replace button and now your profile picture will immediately be changed. And you can come back to this menu as many times as you want to change your avatar within the game without using any in-game currency. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.